How to fix video not playing on Twitter. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you having trouble with videos not playing on Twitter? Don't worry. I'll show you some quick fixes to get videos working again. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Sometimes a slow or unstable connection can stop videos from loading. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, clear apps cache. If you are using Twitter on your mobile, clearing the cache can help. Here's how. Go to settings on your device, find apps or apps manager and locate Twitter. Tap storage, then choose clear cache. This won't delete any data but will refresh the app. Next, update or reinstall the app. Sometimes updating the app can resolve issues with videos not playing. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. If that doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling Twitter. Next, disable data saver mode. If you have data saver enabled, it might prevent videos from playing. To disable it, open Twitter, go to settings and privacy, find data uses and make sure data saver is turned off. And that's it. One of these solutions should help videos play on Twitter again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.